Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be filming a really fun video today. These are one of my favorite videos to watch, and I finally decided to subscribe to this monthly subscription, and it is BoxyCharm. Obviously, you guys already know from the title. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription that is $21, and basically you get full-size products for $21 from your favorite brands. It could be drugstore, affordable prices like ColourPop and a couple of other brands, or it could be high-end like Tasha, Tarte, Too Faced. I can't think of any other brands right now, but there's like you can, if you go on the website, you can actually see all the past boxes and see what everyone else has gotten and see everyone's reviews. So if you guys want to check it out, I will leave a link down below, and I'm super excited, so let's get into it. Alright, so for BoxyCharm this month, I already did look inside the box because I couldn't help myself, but next month I won't look. I will try not to look. Let me rephrase that. I will try not to look in next month's box. And if you guys want to see these videos, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. So basically this is the box, and what I've done so far is I've actually put everything else on my face besides the products that I'm gonna need. So we have, well, you'll see when we get into it. So we'll start with the biggest item in the box, which is going to be our palette, and this is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. Now I noticed that actually there was 3 different palettes circulating between the boxes. So there was like a more like, I want to say it's like tropical. It's more like there's more bright colors, and then there's a smoky palette, and I actually got the neutral one. So, okay, so this is going to be $36. It's limited edition. It just says dive into this vegan crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 high reflective plush micro shimmer and 1 matte nude that serves as a perfect transition shade. This blendable and long-wearing formula is enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants, helping to hydrate and protect the lid. So let's see if this is really long wearing and see how well this blends. I'm a little bummed that there's only 1 transition shade in the box, but I love the packaging. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my god. Plastic little sleeve to protect the eyeshadows, and it comes like this. Comes with a huge mirror, and this is what the shades look like. So I'm guessing this is going to be your matte shade, but it does look like more like a satin finish to it. It's not exactly just like straight up matte, but it does look like it has a little bit of like a sheen to it. And then it comes with this huge mirror, which you can see my water. You know what? We gotta stay hydrated. Comes with a nice mirror, that way you can look at yourself. Good for traveling, if you need to do your eyeshadow or something like that. So we're gonna go ahead and use it, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a couple of them. This is Escape, which is just a pretty little champagne color. And then the next color is going to be Treasures, which I think is they look similar in the pan, but this one's actually like a little bit more lighter. And which one? They seem to be blending out pretty well. Let's go into the transition shade, which I'm guessing is Tiki. Oh, you can't really see though. Kind of washes it out. And this one's just like a light brown, which barely showed up on my skin. And you can kind of see it right there, sort of. And then let's go into a darker glitter, which let's try Malibu. Just a little bit darker. We'll put that right next to the other one. Ooh, nice and pretty. Went ahead and prime the eyelids with the Maybelline Age Re-Liner and Brightener. And then I went ahead and just set it with my favorite powder right now, which is the Fit Me Translucent Powder. That stuff is so freaking good. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in with the transition shade in Tiki, and I'm just gonna be using, let's see what random brush I can get. I don't have any clean ones. Sorry. I'm like literally like dipping and swirling, and like there's like barely anything on the brush. So from what I understand is Kathleen Lights actually helped create this box with BoxyCharm and help pick out, and apparently this is like one of her favorite eyeshadow like palettes, but I don't think this is showing up. So I'm using Tiki. Let me try a different brush. I'm gonna try this dirtier brush, but it's gonna work, right? Swirl it all nice up in there, all nice up in there. Actually gonna go in with a little bit of Malibu, which is going to be this shade right here, the one that we swatched. And I'm actually gonna act as if this glitter is my crease, or like something just to like, dude, I never use shimmers on the outside of my lid. What the? And I feel like a little bit is definitely going a long way. Honestly, I'm not like, oh my god, this palette, you guys should run out and spend your money on it. Honestly, I could have lived without it, honestly. The colors are nice and pretty, but it's not wowing me, and I feel like there's way other palettes that are gonna be way better than this one. I'm still gonna continue to use it and play around with it, but as of right now, as a first impression, it's not really impressing me. But I'm gonna go ahead and use, what shade did I not swatch? Let's go ahead and use Raise. This is gonna be this shade right here next to Malibu. And I'm just gonna go ahead and swirl it on the back of my finger and just apply it to the lid. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh wow, that shade's really pretty. Really pretty. Hey, how many times did I say pretty? It's really buttery. It seems to be applying to the lid really nicely, and not only that, it's super foiled and pigmented. And take Treasures, which is like this white color, and I'm gonna put that in the inner corner of my eye.
Your hair's soaked.
Nice and reflective. Devin Dwayne, I swear to God.
Stop using his.
My lips are like really pale right now. I'm gonna go ahead and go on with the next thing from our wet box, because you know my brother had to spill water on me, is the Ofra Cosmetic Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. And this is in the shade Havana Nights, which is actually Kathleen Light's collab with Ofra. Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick and Havana Nights. Love the packaging, super nice, super sleek. I'll have to try out some other stuff from Ofra Cosmetics. So that actually was $20, and it is a matte liquid lipstick delivering long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in lips. The stunning pigment stays put all day with minimal transfer. Something in the box. It's actually this eyeliner. This is from Jaunty Blue. I guess it's an eyeliner. It is in the shade 912 Charcoal, and this is what the packaging looks like, and I don't even think you can see it. Swatch it right there. Feels a little waxy, and you can see it kind of like skipping in. It's like clumping up in some parts. Probably like this. Excuse me while I concentrate. It's not really going on. Woo! That melted so quick. It's definitely a lot more pigmented. It's there, but very lightly. Is going to be the two Tasha face mask and the Bargio Don't Despair Repair Strength Moisturizing Leave-In Mask. This has no silicones, no sulfates, and no parabens. So these are the last two things that are, and my phone's still about to die. I did not charge enough while I was getting a shower. All right, so I think we're gonna start with the face mask just because my hair is still wet and it wants it to be damp, which, let's be real, it's not gonna be damp. Smells funky. This smells so good. Oh, this feels so good. Yes. Oh, that feels so good on my skin. What the heck? Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Alright, so the face mask is supposed to be on for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this little thingy because I use my phone to record, so you're gonna hear it ticking. Comes with two packages. It nourishes skin within using the lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and high concentration bonotonic extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 millimeters of skin quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. All right, we have 2 minutes left on the timer. So I went ahead and got a comb, and we're gonna go ahead and spray this in. It says, or should I spray it in my hand? All right, we're gonna split it, and we're gonna do one side just spraying it. Oh, dang it, I dropped the cap. All right, we're just gonna do one. So it says mid to ends. Smells pretty good. And then with the other side, oh, so it's actually kind of like just like a gel. So I'm just gonna actually spray it on my hands and then do it on, like, rub it in on this side. That smells really good. Oh my gosh. Graduated high school. The timer's done. All right, so we're gonna take this mask off. Ooh. All right. My skin feels so, like, refreshed. It's so weird. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and rub the serum in. Really enjoyed it. Both of the hair things too. I'm actually gonna use this more. And I will let you guys know in future videos. So definitely stay tuned for that. So that's gonna be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the BoxyCharm unboxing. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Stop. Now I have her doing it too.
Catch these.
Devin.
Oh, those are scissors.
You got my forehead wet. Stop. Devin Toy. Devin!